Welcome to Asia's largest contract manufacturing and private label event. Contract Manufacturing and Private Label Expo is India's only platform that brings together retailers, D2C brands, contract manufacturers, ingredients and raw material suppliers, FMCG brand owners, specialty retailers, and other key industry players. It's a one-stop solution for connecting stakeholders and creating business opportunities under one roof.
So at CMPL, whenever we exhibit, a lot of new prospective clients come up and which they didn't know about us, and we've done business with them. So it's a fantastic opportunity for us to meet those new clients.
Frankly, it's the first time we have come to Delhi, and I would like to say it has been a pleasant surprise. We had a very good experience.
CMPL has been a great experience. It's our first CMPL experience, but we are glad that we came.
We participated in all the exhibitions, be it Delhi, be it Mumbai. It's not just a meeting point for contract manufacturers, but vendors, clients, suppliers of various raw materials and packaging materials. So it's like a meeting point for the entire community of contract manufacturing and brand owners.
Well, it's a matter of honor and pleasure for us at such an august forum has recognized our efforts and efforts of our strategic partners and has conferred this award on us. We are truly excited and very thankful to CMPL.
Amazing.
Networking.
Collaborative.
Fantabulous.
Phenomenal.
Awesome.
Dynamic.
It was fun and educative.
CMPL is amazing.